If your Windows 11 computer is lagging, running slow, or taking too long to respond, the first thing you should check is which apps are automatically starting with Windows. Right-click the Start button and select Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, click Startup Apps. Now look at the Status and Startup Impact columns. Here, you can see which apps are enabled to start automatically and how much impact they may have on your computer's startup. Find an app that you do not need every time Windows starts. Right-click the app and select Disable. You can do the same for other unnecessary startup apps. But do not randomly disable security software, graphics components, audio drivers, or hardware-related utilities unless you know exactly what the entry does. Once you're done, restart your computer and check if Windows 11 is running faster. If your computer is still lagging or running slow, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Now select Processes. Click the CPU column. This will help you see which app or process is using the most CPU. Next, click the Memory column and check which app is using a large amount of memory. Then click the Disk column and see if any app is using the disk heavily. If you recognize an unnecessary app or an app that is frozen and using too many system resources, right-click it and select End Task. Be careful here. Do not end random Windows system processes if you don't know what they do. After closing the High Resource app, check your computer again. In many cases, Windows 11 should now feel faster and more responsive. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.